Was Oumuamua an alien probe? In October 2017, astronomers detected an object unlike anything seen before, hurtling through our solar system. They named it Oumuamua, a Hawaiian word meaning scout or messenger. At first glance, it seemed to be just another interstellar visitor, a cosmic wanderer passing through. But as scientists dug deeper, the story of Oumuamua became stranger and more mysterious. Unlike comets, it lacked a visible tail, even as it approached the Sun. Its shape? Unprecedented. Estimates suggest it was elongated, perhaps 10 times longer than it was wide, like a cigar or a flat, tumbling pancake. Then there was its motion. As it sped away from the Sun, Oumuamua accelerated slightly, as though pushed by an invisible force. No conventional explanation seemed to fully fit. Could it have been a fragment of a larger planetary body, broken off during a cataclysmic event? Or perhaps a shard of hydrogen ice, sublimating just enough to explain its odd behavior? These theories hold some merit, but leave room for doubt. Enter an even more provocative idea: what if Oumuamua wasn't natural at all? Avi Loeb, a Harvard astrophysicist, suggested it might be a probe, a piece of alien technology sent to explore our cosmic neighborhood. This wasn't science fiction, it was a hypothesis rooted in the peculiarities of Oumuamua's journey. After all, what better way to explore the stars than to send out a self-sufficient craft capable of quietly gathering data? But the evidence remains elusive. With no clear signals or signs of artificial design, Oumuamua's true nature is locked in the realm of speculation. And just like that, the object vanished beyond the reach of our telescopes, leaving behind more questions than answers. As we gaze deeper into the cosmos, searching for our place in the universe, Oumuamua serves as a reminder of how little we know about what, or who, might be out there. But what if Oumuamua was just the beginning? What if our solar system has been visited countless times by interstellar objects, and we've only now developed the tools to notice? The discovery of Oumuamua wasn't just a fleeting mystery, it was a wake-up call. It challenged us to rethink our assumptions about the universe and our role within it. The idea of alien technology isn't as far-fetched as it may seem. After all, humanity has sent its own emissaries, Voyager and Pioneer probes, into the void, each carrying a message in a bottle for any intelligent beings who might stumble upon them. Could Oumuamua be the alien equivalent of our efforts? A silent observer, studying our star and its planets before quietly moving on. Of course, science demands evidence, and speculation without proof is a slippery slope. Yet, isn't it worth asking the bold questions? Isn't it worth preparing for the day when the next interstellar visitor arrives, perhaps bearing more obvious signs of its origin? The truth about Oumuamua may remain a cosmic enigma, but its legacy endures. It has sparked debates, ignited imaginations, and pushed the boundaries of our curiosity. And as we scan the skies, waiting for the next scout, or messenger, to reveal itself, we are reminded of one undeniable fact: the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of surprises. What secrets it holds, only time will tell. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the universe, but it also expands the horizon of the unknown. With Oumuamua, we are left standing on the edge of a profound question: are we truly alone, or are we just one of many voices in a cosmic symphony? The tools of modern astronomy, like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory and future space telescopes, promise to revolutionize our ability to detect interstellar visitors. These technologies might reveal objects like Oumuamua more frequently, allowing us to study their behavior in greater detail. Could the next object bring clearer evidence of extraterrestrial origins? Or will it deepen the mystery, forcing us to confront new puzzles that defy explanation? While the scientific community debates the nature of Oumuamua, the public imagination has already soared beyond the stars. Fictional scenarios of alien encounters have long been a part of our culture, from the enigmatic monoliths of 2001, A Space Odyssey, to the iconic first contact scenes of Arrival. Yet, with Oumuamua, the line between science fiction and scientific reality grows increasingly thin. Perhaps the most profound outcome of Oumuamua's visit isn't the object itself, but the questions it inspires. What does it mean to be a civilization capable of recognizing a potential interstellar messenger? How would we respond if we ever confirmed the presence of intelligent life beyond Earth? Would it unite us in awe and discovery, or would it challenge our perceptions of who we are and what we might become? These are not just scientific questions, they are philosophical, existential, and deeply human. And as we continue to peer into the abyss of space, searching for the faint whispers of other worlds, we must also turn inward, reflecting on our readiness to embrace whatever answers the universe chooses to reveal. The story of Oumuamua is not just about a solitary object speeding through our solar system, it's about how humanity approaches the unknown. It's a testament to our restless curiosity, our relentless desire to uncover truths hidden in the vastness of space. It's also a reminder of how little we still understand about the universe. If Oumuamua was a natural object, its peculiarities push us to reconsider the diversity of materials and phenomena in the cosmos. Could it represent a class of interstellar debris we've never encountered? Could it hint at processes occurring in distant star systems that we can barely imagine? If it was something more, a technological artifact, a relic of another civilization, it forces us to confront questions that have hovered on the fringes of science for decades. Would we recognize alien technology if we saw it? How do we distinguish between the unfamiliar and the extraordinary? In either case, Oumuamua is a catalyst for progress. It underscores the need for better detection systems, faster communication between observatories, and a global effort to collaborate on the study of interstellar phenomena. Future missions could include spacecraft capable of intercepting and studying objects like Oumuamua up close, transforming mysteries into knowledge. Ultimately, the greatest impact of Oumuamua may not lie in what it was, but in what it inspires us to become. A civilization capable of looking beyond its horizons, of asking profound questions, and of pursuing those questions with courage and determination. A civilization not content to merely exist, but one that reaches outward, into the unknown, with open minds and open hearts. The universe is waiting. The next interstellar visitor may already be on its way. Will we be ready to meet it? To prepare for what comes next, humanity must embrace the spirit of exploration that has defined our greatest achievements. The universe is not static, it is alive with motion, transformation, and countless mysteries yet to be unraveled. Oumuamua's fleeting visit was a reminder that our solar system is not an isolated island but a tiny crossroads in a vast, interconnected cosmos. Imagine a future where the detection of interstellar objects becomes routine. Each new discovery could teach us about the conditions in distant star systems, revealing clues about the building blocks of planets, atmospheres, and even life itself. What might we learn from these cosmic wanderers, bearing the marks of their journeys through space and time? But beyond science, there is a profound philosophical element to Oumuamua's legacy. It challenges us to confront the possibility that we are not the only observers in this universe. It asks us to imagine what it would mean to discover irrefutable evidence of intelligent life, or even to grapple with the silence if none exists. Whether Oumuamua was a natural anomaly or an artifact of an alien civilization, its significance is clear. It has expanded the boundaries of our imagination and fueled a hunger for answers. It has shown us that the universe is a place of surprises, a place where questions lead to more questions, and where every answer opens new doors to wonder. The story of Oumuamua is far from over. It will live on in the minds of scientists, storytellers, and dreamers, a symbol of the infinite possibilities that await us in the stars. As we prepare for the next chapter of our journey into the cosmos, one thing is certain: the universe still has secrets to share, and we are only just beginning to listen. And as we continue to listen, we must recognize that our search for answers is as much about us as it is about the cosmos. The questions raised by Oumuamua reflect our own nature, our curiosity, our capacity for wonder, and our longing to connect with something greater than ourselves. The universe, vast and indifferent, does not owe us explanations. But it is in our very essence to seek them out. Imagine a day when we detect another visitor like Oumuamua, but this time, we are prepared. We might launch missions capable of intercepting and studying it in real time, capturing data from its surface, its motion, and perhaps even its origin. With advanced instruments and global collaboration, we could peel back the layers of mystery that surround such objects. Could we decode messages encoded in their trajectories, or uncover physical evidence of distant worlds etched into their structures? But beyond preparation lies a deeper challenge: how we interpret what we find. If one day we discover evidence of alien life, whether microbial or intelligent, how will we respond? Will we approach it with awe and humility, or with fear and misunderstanding? What will it mean for humanity's place in the cosmos if we learn we are not alone? And if the universe is silent, if no signs of life beyond Earth ever come, what then? Perhaps the silence itself is an answer, a reminder that our existence is a rare and extraordinary phenomenon. It would place upon us an even greater responsibility to protect our planet and cherish the fragile beauty of life here. Oumuamua, in all its enigmatic glory, has done more than pass through our solar system. It has reminded us that the act of discovery is not just about finding answers, but about fostering a sense of unity and purpose. It is a call to dream bigger, to look farther, and to embrace the mysteries that define the human experience. The universe stretches out before us, filled with countless wonders waiting to be uncovered. Whether we find alien civilizations, understand the origins of interstellar travelers, or simply learn more about ourselves, one truth remains constant: the journey is as important as the destination. And Oumuamua, fleeting as it was, has left us with a cosmic roadmap, pointing us ever onward, toward the stars. The stars, once unreachable pinpricks of light, now beckon to us with tantalizing promises of discovery. They whisper of worlds yet unseen, phenomena yet unexplained, and, perhaps, intelligences yet unknown. The fleeting passage of Oumuamua reminds us that our universe is not a static backdrop, but a dynamic, ever-changing expanse where surprises await those who dare to look closely enough. But to truly embrace this journey, we must also look inward. Are we prepared, as a species, to grapple with what we might find? Discovery on the scale of interstellar contact, be it with an alien artifact or a simple confirmation of life beyond Earth, would not just change our scientific understanding, it would reshape the very fabric of our culture, philosophy, and identity. Would such a discovery unite us, transcending borders and divisions, as we come to see ourselves as one civilization among many? Or would it sow fear and uncertainty, challenging our deeply held beliefs and forcing us to confront our own limitations? These are questions we must begin to answer now, as we step further into the cosmic arena. Oumuamua's legacy isn't just about what it might have been, it's about the doors it has opened in our minds. It compels us to invest in our capacity for exploration, to expand our scientific horizons, and to consider our responsibilities as cosmic citizens. Whether we encounter another interstellar visitor tomorrow or decades from now, we must be ready, not just technologically, but intellectually and emotionally. In the end, Oumuamua may be remembered not for the mystery of what it was, but for the wonder it inspired. It has become a symbol of the vast, untapped potential of human curiosity, a reminder that even the briefest encounter can leave an indelible mark on our understanding of the universe. The cosmos awaits, with its boundless expanse of stars, planets, and interstellar travelers like Oumuamua. And as we continue to explore, one thing becomes increasingly clear: the greatest discoveries are not just about what we find out there, but about how they transform who we are here. Every question we ask of the universe is, in a way, a question we ask of ourselves. And in seeking answers, we not only illuminate the cosmos, but also the very essence of what it means to be human. As humanity ventures further into the depths of space, the story of Oumuamua serves as a guiding star, urging us to embrace the unknown with both curiosity and humility. It teaches us that the universe is not just a place to explore, but a mirror reflecting our own potential for growth and understanding. Imagine the generations to come, children born under the light of distant stars, growing up in a world where the mysteries of interstellar objects are not anomalies, but opportunities for learning. They will look back on Oumuamua as one of the first signs that we are beginning to understand our place in a cosmic community, even if that community remains silent for now. But this journey requires us to stay vigilant. Our progress as a civilization depends on how well we balance the pursuit of knowledge with the wisdom to use it responsibly. As we develop the ability to detect, study, and perhaps even interact with interstellar phenomena, we must also cultivate a sense of stewardship, not just for our planet, but for the cosmos itself. What if future missions uncover evidence of alien technology, dormant probes, or even remnants of ancient civilizations? These discoveries could be profound, not because they confirm what we've always dreamed of, but because they would challenge us to think beyond our human perspective. They would force us to confront the universal nature of curiosity, survival, and creativity, traits we might share with beings we've never met. And if we find nothing, no signals, no artifacts, no signs of life, it doesn't diminish the value of our quest. Instead, it reaffirms the uniqueness of our existence and the importance of preserving it. Even in silence, the universe speaks volumes about the beauty of discovery, the intricacies of its design, and the endless possibilities it holds. Oumuamua's fleeting visit was a momentary encounter, but its impact on our understanding and imagination will resonate for generations. It has reminded us that the universe is an open book, waiting to be read, and that every page we turn brings us closer to understanding not just the cosmos, but ourselves. So, as we peer into the night sky, scanning for the next interstellar visitor, let us carry forward the lesson Oumuamua has taught us, that the journey of discovery is infinite, that our curiosity is boundless, and that our place among the stars is not a destination but a journey, a story still being written, one chapter at a time. And so, the story of Oumuamua becomes more than a mystery to solve, it becomes a symbol of our aspirations, a milestone in our shared journey toward understanding the cosmos. Its enigmatic passage reminds us that the universe is vast, complex, and full of possibilities we have yet to imagine. Each new discovery, no matter how fleeting, is a thread in the intricate tapestry of knowledge we are weaving as a species. Looking forward, the next steps are clear. We must expand our ability to detect and track interstellar objects, pushing the boundaries of technology to ensure that no visitor goes unnoticed. We must prepare spacecraft capable of rendezvousing with these cosmic travelers, ready to gather data and, perhaps, uncover clues to their origin and composition. And, most importantly, we must foster a culture of open-mindedness and collaboration, uniting scientists, engineers, and thinkers from around the world to tackle the challenges of interstellar exploration. Yet, even as we prepare for the next Oumuamua, we must not lose sight of the deeper questions it has raised. What does it mean to be a civilization capable of looking beyond its own solar system? What responsibilities do we bear as explorers, knowing that our actions and discoveries could shape the future of humanity? How do we balance the excitement of discovery with the humility of recognizing our place in a universe that is billions of years old and billions of light years wide? Perhaps the greatest legacy of Oumuamua is the way it has ignited a sense of wonder in so many. For a brief moment, it captured the attention of people around the globe, inspiring discussions about life, technology, and the nature of the cosmos. It reminded us that, no matter our differences, we share a common sky and a collective destiny as inhabitants of this tiny blue planet. The universe is calling to us, as it has for millennia, urging us to look up, to dream, and to reach for the stars. Oumuamua was just one chapter in a much larger story, a story that we are writing together, one discovery at a time. And though we may not know what lies ahead, we can be certain of one thing: the search for answers will continue, and with it, the unyielding hope that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. As we stand at the dawn of a new era in space exploration, the lessons of Oumuamua resonate louder than ever. This mysterious visitor, with its inexplicable shape, trajectory, and motion, was more than a scientific curiosity, it was a call to action. It challenged us to confront our assumptions, refine our tools, and expand our perspectives on what might exist beyond the familiar confines of our solar system. The story of Oumuamua highlights the importance of readiness, both in terms of technology and mindset. With new telescopes like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory and the James Webb Space Telescope, we are better equipped than ever to detect and study interstellar objects. But technology alone is not enough. We must also cultivate a culture of scientific openness, willing to explore unconventional ideas and embrace the possibility that our understanding of the universe is still in its infancy. Imagine a future where interstellar objects are no longer rare events but frequent opportunities. Each one could provide a window into the processes shaping distant star systems, offering clues about the diversity of planetary formation, the distribution of organic compounds, and even the potential signatures of extraterrestrial technology. Each discovery would not just add to our knowledge, but deepen our appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the cosmos. Yet, as we venture into this exciting frontier, we must also be mindful of our responsibilities. If we are to become true stewards of space, we must approach each discovery with respect and care, ensuring that our pursuit of knowledge does not come at the expense of the very universe we seek to understand. The search for answers must be balanced with a commitment to preserving the cosmic heritage we all share. Oumuamua's brief visit was a fleeting moment in the grand timeline of the cosmos, but its impact will endure. It has inspired a new generation of thinkers, dreamers, and explorers, united by a shared curiosity about the universe and our place within it. It has reminded us that, while the stars may seem distant, they are not beyond our reach, not if we have the courage to look, to question, and to dream. And so, as we wait for the next interstellar traveler to cross our path, we do so with a renewed sense of purpose. Oumuamua may have left us with more questions than answers, but it also left us with something far more valuable: the determination to seek those answers, no matter how far we must go or how long it may take. For in the end, the search itself is the ultimate adventure, a journey not just across the stars, but into the very heart of what it means to be human. This journey into the heart of the unknown is what defines us. Humanity has always been a species of explorers, compelled by a relentless desire to push boundaries and uncover the truths hidden in the cosmos. Oumuamua, enigmatic and fleeting, has ignited a spark that reminds us of this innate drive to question, to explore, and to connect with something larger than ourselves. As we peer deeper into space, we must also reflect on the unity this quest can inspire. The mystery of Oumuamua captivated scientists, artists, and dreamers from every corner of the globe, demonstrating that the search for answers transcends borders, languages, and ideologies. It showed us that the cosmos belongs to all of us, a shared frontier where every discovery is a triumph for humanity as a whole. The future of interstellar exploration is filled with limitless potential. Imagine a world where spacecraft are designed specifically to intercept and study objects like Oumuamua as they approach our solar system, equipped with tools to analyze their composition, structure, and origin. Imagine observatories capable of scanning vast stretches of space, detecting not just interstellar visitors but perhaps even the faint signals of distant civilizations. What if one day, we not only detect an interstellar object but receive evidence that it was designed, not by natural processes, but by intelligent beings? Such a moment would be a defining chapter in our history, forcing us to confront profound questions about who we are and how we fit into the broader narrative of the universe. But even if we never encounter clear evidence of extraterrestrial life or technology, the pursuit itself remains invaluable. The act of searching fosters innovation, drives collaboration, and deepens our understanding of the cosmos. It pushes us to imagine the unimaginable, to chart paths through the unknown, and to celebrate the wonders of existence. Oumuamua was, in many ways, a wake-up call, a reminder that the universe is dynamic, unpredictable, and brimming with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. It invites us to prepare not only our instruments, but also our minds, to embrace the awe and humility required for such a vast and uncertain journey. And so, as we continue to search the skies, let us do so with an unshakable sense of wonder. Let us remember that every discovery, no matter how small or strange, is a step toward understanding the universe and ourselves. For in the end, it is not the answers we find that define us, it is the courage to ask the questions. And in that pursuit, Oumuamua has left an indelible mark, guiding us ever onward, toward the infinite possibilities of the stars. And so, our journey into the cosmos continues, inspired by the fleeting mystery of Oumuamua and the countless enigmas that remain hidden in the vast expanse of space. Each new step we take brings us closer to the answers we seek, and to questions we haven't yet imagined. The story of Oumuamua, in its brevity and intrigue, is a perfect reflection of our place in the universe. We are here for but a moment, yet in that moment, we strive to unravel the secrets of a cosmos billions of years in the making. The challenges we face, technical, philosophical, and existential, are daunting, but they are also what make this quest so profoundly human. Looking ahead, the legacy of Oumuamua will live on in the advancements it has inspired. Future generations may study interstellar visitors with a level of detail we can only dream of today. Perhaps they will develop technologies to communicate with alien civilizations or to explore distant star systems firsthand. Perhaps they will uncover evidence that life, in all its diversity, is not unique to Earth, but a common thread woven throughout the galaxy. Yet, as we reach outward, we must not forget to look inward. The search for extraterrestrial life, for interstellar mysteries, and for understanding our cosmic origins ultimately brings us back to ourselves. It asks us to consider who we are, how we relate to the universe, and what kind of future we wish to create, not just for humanity, but for all life on Earth. Oumuamua reminds us that the universe is full of surprises, and that the act of discovery is as much about expanding our minds as it is about gathering data. It invites us to celebrate the unknown, to embrace the uncertainty, and to find meaning not only in what we uncover, but in the process of exploration itself. And so, as we gaze up at the night sky, let us do so with a sense of purpose and wonder. Let us be guided by the curiosity that has driven us from the first time we looked at the stars, and let us carry forward the legacy of Oumuamua, a messenger from the cosmos, whose message is as clear as it is profound. The universe is vast, it is mysterious, and it is waiting for us to explore. The next chapter of our story is unwritten, but one thing is certain: it will be a story of discovery, of unity, and of the boundless possibilities that come from daring to dream. As long as we continue to ask the big questions, to reach for the stars, and to seek our place in the cosmos, we honor the legacy of Oumuamua and the infinite mysteries it represents. The story of Oumuamua is a reminder that the universe is not a distant, static backdrop but a living, dynamic entity, filled with fleeting moments of connection and opportunity. As this interstellar traveler slipped silently through our solar system, it left us with more than just questions, it left us with a challenge. A challenge to grow as a species, to refine our science, and to embrace the uncertainties that lie ahead. Imagine a future where humanity becomes a true spacefaring civilization, capable not just of studying interstellar objects from afar but of traveling to meet them. Imagine spacecraft equipped with advanced AI, artificial gravity, and propulsion systems fast enough to intercept objects like Oumuamua. These missions could bring back data not just about the object's composition but about the forces that shaped it, a story etched into its surface, waiting to be told. This future, while ambitious, is not beyond our reach. Every leap forward in astronomy, engineering, and technology brings us closer to this vision. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot, aiming to send nanocraft to the nearest star systems, and the continual advancements in space telescopes are testaments to our ingenuity and determination. With each new tool, we sharpen our ability to answer one of the most profound questions: are we alone? Oumuamua also serves as a reminder of the fleeting nature of discovery. It passed through our solar system before we could fully understand it, urging us to be better prepared for the next encounter. This preparation is not just about building faster spacecraft or more sensitive telescopes, it's about fostering a mindset of curiosity and adaptability, traits that have always defined humanity's greatest achievements. And what of the bigger picture? What if Oumuamua was, indeed, an alien probe? Or what if the next interstellar object carries irrefutable signs of intelligent design? How would we respond, not just scientifically but socially, culturally, and philosophically? The discovery of alien life, in any form, would be a turning point in human history, reshaping our understanding of life, intelligence, and our place in the universe. Yet even in the absence of such discoveries, the act of searching holds immense value. It connects us to a lineage of explorers who have always looked to the horizon with wonder. It unites us as a global civilization, sharing a common goal that transcends borders and conflicts. And it reminds us that the greatest discoveries are not just about what we find, but about how they change us. The stars continue to shine, and the universe continues to expand. Somewhere out there, another Oumuamua, or something even more extraordinary, is on its way. It is up to us to be ready, to embrace the unknown, and to welcome the surprises the cosmos has in store. For in the end, it is not the mysteries themselves that define our journey, it is our courage to pursue them, our willingness to be transformed by them, and our enduring belief that the answers we seek are worth every question we dare to ask. The universe is calling, and we are here to listen, to learn, and to explore. The story of Oumuamua is just the beginning. The story of Oumuamua may have been brief, but its impact is timeless. It has set in motion a wave of curiosity, innovation, and collaboration that will shape humanity's relationship with the cosmos for generations to come. Its legacy challenges us to redefine what it means to explore, to think beyond our current limitations, and to prepare for a future filled with discoveries that could fundamentally reshape our understanding of existence. As we await the arrival of the next interstellar visitor, we are reminded of the importance of vigilance. Each passing moment in the vastness of space could hold an opportunity to learn something extraordinary. What if the next Oumuamua comes bearing clearer clues, structures that defy natural formation, materials that speak of advanced design, or even data encoded in ways we are yet to comprehend? To seize such an opportunity, we must act boldly and think creatively, expanding not just our technological capabilities but also our capacity to recognize and interpret the extraordinary. But beyond the practical, there is a deeper narrative to consider. What does it mean for humanity to reach for the stars? What does it say about us that we are willing to dedicate resources, ingenuity, and imagination to seek out answers in the unknown? This drive is not merely scientific, it is a reflection of our very nature. It speaks to our desire to connect, to understand, and to find meaning in a universe that often seems indifferent. Oumuamua's message, if it had one, may remain a mystery. Yet its true gift lies in the questions it has left behind. Each one pushes us to be better, to build better tools, to foster greater collaboration, and to cultivate an unyielding sense of wonder. It reminds us that the journey is as important as the destination, and that every mystery, no matter how fleeting, is an invitation to grow. As we stand at the threshold of the stars, we carry with us the lessons of Oumuamua. We carry the knowledge that we are part of a vast and interconnected cosmos, where even the smallest fragment of information can hold the key to understanding something profound. We carry the hope that one day, our efforts will lead to the moment when we look into the cosmos and find that we are not alone. Until that day, we will keep searching. We will keep asking questions, building, exploring, and dreaming. For it is in these acts that we find our purpose, not just as individuals, but as a species united by the shared wonder of existence. Oumuamua was more than a visitor, it was a reminder of our potential. And as we gaze upward, ready for the next chapter, we do so with the knowledge that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of untold possibilities. The stars are waiting. The future is calling. And we, the explorers of the unknown, will rise to meet it. The stars above are not just distant points of light, they are beacons, guiding us toward a destiny far greater than we can yet comprehend. Oumuamua's brief visit was a whisper from the cosmos, a fleeting message that dared us to look closer, think deeper, and dream bigger. As we move forward, we must recognize that every discovery in the cosmos, no matter how small or cryptic, is part of a larger narrative, the story of humanity's relentless quest to understand its place in the universe. Oumuamua may be gone, but the questions it has left behind continue to ripple through the scientific community, inspiring new ideas, new technologies, and new perspectives. What will we learn in the decades to come? Will we find more interstellar objects, each one revealing a little more about the processes and phenomena that shape distant star systems? Will we uncover evidence that life is not unique to Earth, but a common outcome of the universe's chemistry and physics? Or will we stumble upon something so unexpected, so extraordinary, that it forces us to rewrite everything we thought we knew? The journey ahead is one of infinite possibilities, and Oumuamua's legacy reminds us to remain open to all of them. It challenges us to prepare not just technologically but philosophically, to embrace the profound implications of what we might find. Whether we discover life, intelligence, or evidence of civilizations that have come and gone, we must approach these revelations with humility, curiosity, and a sense of responsibility. In a way, the story of Oumuamua mirrors the story of humanity itself. We, too, are travelers in the vast expanse of space and time, seeking meaning and connection in a universe that often feels incomprehensibly large. Like Oumuamua, we are shaped by forces beyond our control, yet we carry within us the capacity to leave a mark, to tell a story, to seek understanding in the face of the unknown. The stars await, as they always have, their light carrying the echoes of countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered. And as we prepare for the next chapter, we do so with the knowledge that our journey is far from over. In fact, it has only just begun. For every question sparked by Oumuamua, there are countless more waiting in the wings, questions that will drive us to look deeper, think harder, and push the boundaries of what is possible. The universe, in all its vastness, is not a void to be feared, but a frontier to be explored. And as long as we continue to ask questions, to reach for the stars, and to seek our place among them, we honor the legacy of Oumuamua and the boundless potential of humanity. The cosmos is calling, and we are answering, not with fear, but with wonder. Not with hesitation, but with courage. Together, we will follow where the mysteries lead, knowing that the greatest discoveries are yet to come. And so, we step boldly into the future, guided by the mystery of Oumuamua and the infinite possibilities it represents. The cosmos stretches out before us, a canvas of untold wonders and unanswered questions. Every star, every galaxy, and every fleeting interstellar visitor like Oumuamua holds the potential to reshape our understanding of existence, to connect us to something far greater than ourselves. As we build the tools to unlock these mysteries, we also build a new chapter in the story of humanity. Imagine a world where interstellar travel is no longer a dream but a reality, where probes venture into the farthest reaches of space, not just to explore, but to seek out the unknown. Imagine discovering an alien artifact, a relic of a civilization that has long since vanished, leaving behind a silent testament to its ingenuity and existence. What would we learn from such an encounter? How would it transform us, not just scientifically but culturally, spiritually, and collectively? The pursuit of answers is not merely about solving puzzles, it is about igniting the imagination, fostering unity, and nurturing the sense of wonder that defines what it means to be human. Oumuamua's brief visit is a reminder that we are part of a vast, interconnected universe, one that operates on scales of time and space far beyond our comprehension. And yet, within this immensity, we have the remarkable ability to question, to explore, and to dream. In preparing for what lies ahead, we must remember that exploration is as much an act of introspection as it is an outward journey. The discoveries we make among the stars will teach us not only about the universe, but about ourselves, our capacity for resilience, our thirst for knowledge, and our ability to adapt to the unexpected. The next interstellar visitor will come, and with it, new opportunities to learn, to grow, and to connect. Whether it brings answers, more questions, or simply another fleeting mystery, it will reaffirm a fundamental truth: the universe is alive with possibilities, and our role as explorers is to embrace them. Oumuamua has passed into the annals of history, but its impact will echo far into the future. It has challenged us to think beyond our horizons, to push the boundaries of science and imagination, and to prepare for the moment when the cosmos reveals its next secret. The story of Oumuamua is not an ending, it is a beginning, a catalyst for the dreams, discoveries, and adventures that await. And so, with eyes fixed on the stars and hearts full of wonder, we continue forward, driven by the belief that the greatest discoveries are yet to come. For in the boundless expanse of the universe, we find not just answers, but the very essence of what it means to be alive. The journey is infinite. The possibilities are endless. And the future is ours to explore. The infinite expanse of the cosmos invites us to push further, to extend our reach, and to transform our curiosity into action. Oumuamua's silent passage through our solar system reminds us that the universe is teeming with wonders that demand not only our attention, but our dedication. Each fleeting mystery, like a spark in the darkness, offers a glimpse into realms that challenge the limits of our knowledge and imagination. As we prepare for the next interstellar visitor, we must not only develop new technologies, but also cultivate a deeper understanding of the questions we are asking. How do we decipher the messages carried by the objects that travel through our cosmic neighborhood? What stories do they tell of their origins, their journeys, and their interactions with forces beyond our comprehension? Each discovery, no matter how small, is a thread in the tapestry of the universe's history, one that we are privileged to unravel. Looking forward, the advances in astronomy and astrophysics promise to revolutionize how we perceive the cosmos. Next-generation observatories, capable of detecting the faintest signals from interstellar objects, will allow us to track their movements with precision. Space missions specifically designed to intercept and study these visitors will give us the tools to examine their physical properties, their trajectories, and their potential origins in unprecedented detail. But the technical challenges are only part of the story. We must also confront the philosophical and existential implications of our discoveries. If we were to find evidence of alien technology, how would we interpret it? What would it reveal about the nature of intelligence, the survival of civilizations, and the commonalities that might unite us with beings from worlds unknown? If the universe remains silent, what does that tell us about our uniqueness and the responsibility we bear as stewards of life? Oumuamua reminds us that the answers may not come easily, or at all. Yet, the act of searching itself is a profound affirmation of our humanity. It reflects our desire to connect, to understand, and to transcend the boundaries of our small blue planet. It is a declaration that we are not content to simply exist, but are driven to explore, to question, and to grow. As we stand at the threshold of a new era in cosmic exploration, we do so with the knowledge that our greatest achievements lie ahead. The universe is vast, its mysteries innumerable, but our capacity for discovery is boundless. Oumuamua's journey through our solar system was fleeting, but its legacy endures, a beacon guiding us toward the next great chapter in humanity's story. The stars are calling. The cosmos is waiting. And we are ready to meet the challenges, embrace the unknown, and chart a course toward the future, a future where every mystery unraveled brings us closer to understanding the infinite possibilities of the universe and the extraordinary potential of ourselves. The future promises wonders beyond imagination. Every discovery brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe, each one a stepping stone toward a deeper understanding of our place among the stars. Oumuamua was a fleeting visitor, a momentary glimpse of the unknown, but its significance reaches far beyond its brief sojourn through our solar system. As we continue our quest, we must embrace the profound truth that the universe is not just a collection of stars, planets, and galaxies, it is a story in which we are active participants. Our tools may grow more advanced, our reach may extend farther, but at the heart of our exploration lies something timeless, the human spirit, restless and determined to understand. The next great discovery could come at any moment. It could be another interstellar object, one that lingers long enough for us to study it in detail. It could be the detection of biosignatures on a distant exoplanet, suggesting the presence of life. It could even be the unmistakable signature of an intelligent civilization reaching out across the void. Whatever form it takes, it will challenge us to think bigger, to push harder, and to dream without limits. But with discovery comes responsibility. As we explore the cosmos, we must also consider the impact of our actions, not only on our own planet but on the broader tapestry of existence. If we find life beyond Earth, how do we ensure that our curiosity does not harm it? If we uncover alien technology, how do we approach it with respect and caution? And if we find that we are alone, what does that mean for our stewardship of this rare and precious world? Oumuamua's legacy is a call to action, a reminder that the universe is vast, dynamic, and full of surprises waiting to be uncovered. It is a challenge to remain vigilant, to be bold in our pursuit of knowledge, and to approach the unknown with both curiosity and humility. The stars will not wait for us, they continue their eternal dance, indifferent to our presence. But we, as a species, have the extraordinary privilege of observing them, of asking questions, and of seeking answers. Each discovery, no matter how small, is a reminder that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. And so, we press on, driven by the same spirit that first led us to look up at the night sky with wonder. The universe is infinite, its mysteries unending. And we, the explorers of the unknown, are just beginning to write the next chapter of this extraordinary story. The future is bright, the possibilities boundless, and the journey ahead as limitless as the cosmos itself. As we continue this journey, we must acknowledge that exploration is not just about discovering what lies beyond, it's about discovering who we are. The universe, in its vastness, serves as both a mirror and a canvas. It reflects our deepest questions about existence while offering endless opportunities to create new knowledge, new ideas, and new connections. Oumuamua, with its enigmatic origins and puzzling behavior, was more than just an interstellar object, it was a symbol of possibility. It reminded us that the cosmos is alive with phenomena we can't yet explain, and that the boundaries of our understanding are not limits but starting points. Each new question it inspired was a reminder that curiosity is the engine of progress. As we look to the future, we envision a world where interstellar exploration becomes a defining aspect of human achievement. Imagine a network of observatories working in unison, scanning the skies for objects like Oumuamua as they approach our solar system. Imagine spacecraft capable of intercepting these visitors, equipped with tools to study their composition, origins, and trajectories in real time. Such advancements will require not only technological breakthroughs, but also a commitment to global collaboration, as the search for interstellar mysteries transcends borders and unites us in our shared humanity. But beyond the science and technology, Oumuamua has ignited a conversation that touches the core of what it means to be alive in a universe so vast and mysterious. It has prompted us to consider questions of cosmic loneliness, the potential for intelligent life elsewhere, and the fragility of our existence on this small, blue world. These are not just scientific questions, they are existential ones, reminding us of the preciousness of life and the importance of cherishing it. What happens when we finally find what we're looking for? Whether it's definitive evidence of alien life, a deeper understanding of interstellar phenomena, or confirmation that we are, for now, alone in the universe, the answers will bring with them profound implications. They will challenge our philosophies, our cultures, and our sense of identity. They will force us to rethink our place in the cosmos and our responsibilities to each other and to future generations. But until that moment arrives, we are left with the greatest gift the universe can offer, the pursuit itself. The act of searching is a testament to our resilience, our ingenuity, and our capacity for wonder. It is a declaration that we are not content to simply exist, but are determined to explore, to understand, and to grow. Oumuamua may have been a fleeting visitor, but its impact is lasting. It has left us with a sense of urgency and a renewed appreciation for the mysteries that surround us. It has reminded us that the universe is not something to be feared but something to be embraced, a vast, unfolding story in which we are both authors and characters. The next chapter is waiting to be written. Somewhere in the infinite expanse, new mysteries are unfolding, new questions are taking shape, and new discoveries are calling out to us. The universe is alive with possibility, and we are its explorers, driven by the belief that the answers we seek are worth every moment of the journey. So let us continue to look up, to dream, and to reach for the stars. For in the endless expanse of space lies the promise of discovery, and in that promise, the hope of understanding not just the universe, but ourselves. The story of Oumuamua is not the end, it is the beginning of a grander, more extraordinary tale yet to be told. And as this tale unfolds, it will not only redefine our understanding of the cosmos but also deepen our sense of unity as inhabitants of a shared world. The story of Oumuamua reminds us that the universe does not belong to any one nation, culture, or generation. It belongs to all of us, past, present, and future, woven into the fabric of existence as threads of a much larger cosmic tapestry. What makes Oumuamua's journey so compelling is the perspective it offers. It came from a place we may never pinpoint, carrying secrets we may never fully uncover, yet it passed through our solar system, briefly sharing its story with us. It's a humbling reminder that we are not isolated in this vast expanse, but part of a larger, interconnected cosmic reality. Each discovery, no matter how small, connects us more deeply to this reality and to each other. The implications of what lies ahead are profound. As we refine our ability to detect and study interstellar visitors, we may uncover patterns in their movements, compositions, or trajectories, clues that point to broader cosmic processes or even intentionality. The possibility that such objects could be technological artifacts from advanced civilizations is tantalizing, but even if they are entirely natural, they still carry the potential to teach us about the forces shaping the universe on scales we can barely imagine. Beyond the data and discoveries, the human element remains central. Our drive to explore is not born solely of intellectual curiosity, it's an emotional and philosophical endeavor, rooted in our deepest longings. We explore because we want to know what's out there, yes, but also because it helps us understand who we are and what it means to exist in a universe that is both incomprehensibly vast and profoundly beautiful. Imagine the stories we will tell as we continue this journey. Future generations may look back on Oumuamua as the catalyst that inspired a new era of exploration, a moment when humanity began to seriously consider its role as an interstellar species. They may marvel at how a single object, silently passing through our solar system, sparked a global movement of curiosity, innovation, and collaboration. Perhaps one day, we will not just observe interstellar visitors, but actively engage with them. We may send missions to follow their paths back to their points of origin or even rendezvous with them in the depths of space. What we learn could redefine our understanding of life, intelligence, and the nature of existence itself. It could answer questions we have asked for millennia, or pose new ones that we can only begin to imagine. Until then, the stars continue to call, and we continue to listen. The mystery of Oumuamua has left us with a challenge to keep looking, to keep questioning, and to keep dreaming. The universe is not a static place, but a dynamic, ever-changing expanse filled with opportunities to grow, to learn, and to connect. And as we step into this future, let us carry forward the lesson of Oumuamua, that the search for understanding is an endless journey, but one that is infinitely rewarding. For in the act of exploring the unknown, we discover not only the secrets of the cosmos, but the boundless potential of the human spirit. The universe is waiting, and we are ready to answer its call, together, as explorers, dreamers, and seekers of the extraordinary. The journey forward promises discoveries that will reshape how we see ourselves and the cosmos. As we refine our tools and expand our knowledge, the lessons of Oumuamua will guide us, not just scientifically, but philosophically. This fleeting visitor wasn't just a puzzle to solve, it was a reminder of the universe's capacity to surprise us and of our own capacity to rise to the challenge. Every step we take toward understanding brings with it profound questions. If interstellar objects like Oumuamua are common, what role do they play in the galactic ecosystem? Could they be carriers of information, natural or otherwise, drifting between stars for eons? Are they cosmic time capsules, containing evidence of processes or events we have yet to witness in our own solar system? These questions open doors to new fields of inquiry, demanding a multidisciplinary approach that combines astronomy, physics, biology, and even philosophy. Imagine the transformative power of finding definitive evidence of life or intelligence beyond Earth. Such a discovery would be more than scientific, it would be a moment of universal significance. It would challenge us to rethink our place in the cosmos and our responsibilities as stewards of life. How would we respond to this revelation? Would it unite us, inspiring collaboration on a planetary scale? Or would it confront us with the need to re-evaluate our priorities, our values, and our shared future? Oumuamua's mystery also invites us to consider the nature of exploration itself. For centuries, humanity has ventured into the unknown, driven by a combination of necessity, curiosity, and ambition. Yet, as we look outward, we are also reminded of the need to look inward, to understand what drives us, what unites us, and what responsibilities we bear as the first species on Earth capable of contemplating the stars. As we scan the skies for the next interstellar visitor, we do so with the understanding that the greatest discoveries often lie at the intersection of the expected and the extraordinary. The universe rarely reveals its secrets in ways we anticipate, and that is what makes the pursuit so exhilarating. Oumuamua may have left us with more questions than answers, but those questions are a gift, a challenge to think bigger, to act boldly, and to embrace the unknown. The journey of exploration is not just about reaching the stars, it's about becoming the kind of civilization that is worthy of the stars. It's about fostering a spirit of curiosity and collaboration, of wonder and resilience. It's about recognizing that every question we ask of the universe is also a question we ask of ourselves. And so, as we look ahead to the infinite possibilities that await, let us remember that we are not merely observers of the cosmos. We are participants in its unfolding story. Each discovery, each mystery, and each fleeting visitor like Oumuamua reminds us that we are part of something far greater than ourselves, a vast and interconnected universe, alive with beauty, complexity, and the promise of the extraordinary. The stars are calling, and the next chapter is waiting to be written. Together, as explorers of the unknown, we will continue to seek, to dream, and to discover, knowing that the journey is as infinite as the universe itself, and as profound as the questions we dare to ask. In the grand narrative of humanity's quest to understand the cosmos, Oumuamua is a chapter that will endure, a fleeting visitor that left an indelible mark on our imagination and curiosity. It reminded us that the universe is vast and dynamic, filled with mysteries that challenge our understanding and expand our horizons. Whether it was a fragment of interstellar debris or something far more extraordinary, Oumuamua ignited a sense of wonder that transcends scientific inquiry, touching the very core of what it means to be human. As we continue our journey, inspired by this enigmatic messenger, we are reminded that exploration is not just about finding answers, but about embracing the unknown with courage and humility. The universe, with all its vastness and complexity, beckons us to reach beyond the boundaries of what we know, to ask bold questions, and to seek truth in the infinite. Oumuamua has come and gone, but its legacy lives on in the questions it raised, the dreams it inspired, and the vision of a future where humanity looks to the stars not with fear, but with hope. The cosmos is calling, and as explorers, dreamers, and seekers, we are ready to answer. The story of Oumuamua is not an ending, it is a beginning, a reminder that the universe is filled with endless possibilities, waiting for us to uncover.